Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another, well, it's not really an unboxing. We have a recipe made from pineapple, from baby spinach, and some almond milk, and I used, instead of using real sugar or another sugar substitute, this time I used the xylitol, and it is made from real birch, so it's sugar free and it's suitable for vegetarians. It is gluten free, great for diabetics, so it's low, what do you call it? It has a low glycemic index. There's no like bad aftertaste like some artificial sweeteners leave. And stop saying It is allergen free, kosher free, so it would be great for your keto diet if you're on it, or if you plan on starting a keto diet. So if you just keep watching the video, you will be able to make this awesome smoothie to it. My daughter loves it, and if she likes it, I'm sure you will too. So I will see you guys next time. Bye. So I put about 1.5 cups of fresh pineapple that I just cubed up in first. And then about, I want to say about 2 handfuls of baby spinach. And I just got fresh spinach from the grocery store, which only cost me like 64 cents, by the way, and you have to stuff those suckers in. And then don't bother by the whatever shot glass. It's the only thing I had clear, and it's about a teaspoon of pure vanilla, and then about a 1/2 cup of sweet almond milk that is vanilla flavored, and then a 1/4 cup of the xylitol sugar-free sugar, and about a cup of ice. I would recommend putting more ice in. I just couldn't fit any more in my little smoothie cup. And then you smash it all in there and get ready to blend it. I have a special setting on my Ninja blender just for smoothies, so it will go through a fast motion for you. And now it is done, and we're gonna pour it in and then garnish it with another cube of fresh pineapple, and there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hey guys, I'm so glad that you finished watching the end of the video, and I really hope you guys try out the recipe, because I'm telling you, it's delicious. And yeah, that's basically all that there is, and it is a beautiful bright sunny day, and that's why I'm outside. It is so beautiful outside. Let me know if you've tried this recipe, either with the regular sugar or without the regular sugar. I'd like to know. Just tell me down in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.